What's up, guys? It's Airsoft Man here, bringing you an unboxing video of the Javelin electric Blowback. I already did take the stuff out, the packaging, just to make sure everything was here that I ordered, and make sure it worked. So, what you get is a very impressive box, but no one cares about that. 60-day warranty, very nice. Battery, 8.4 volt nunchuck, which I prefer ordering 2 of them, or just do 9.6 nunchuck, but I'm not making this one right now. 1 mid-cap magazine, BBs, and attack walls. I ordered an extra high capacity magazine. No, I'm lying. This is a high capacity magazine. I'm lying. You have all metal. Very nice. I know that pops back in somehow. That thing right there, I forget what it's for, but yes, electric blowback. Nice javlin stamp on it. Like I said, it is blowback. Nice pistol grip, but this is just the unboxing video, so watch the review. There'll probably be a link on this video. There'll probably be a link to the review. And then you can take off the orange cap, which I'll probably be doing. So, Airsoft Man out, guys. Peace.